In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to outline text in DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step so you can create clean, professional-looking titles, captions, and callouts for your videos. This is a really useful effect because outlining text can make it stand out against busy backgrounds, improve readability, and give your editing a more polished look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and then subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go down to the bottom of the interface. You want to click the third icon from the left, which takes you to the edit page. This is where we'll create and style our text. Once you're on the edit page, look to the top left toolbar and click the effects button. That opens the effects library, which is where all of your titles, transitions, and effects are stored. Now, in the effects library, go to the toolbox category and then select titles. Inside titles, find the text plus title. Click and drag that text plus effect directly onto your timeline. This is the version of text we want because it gives us much more control over the design, including outlines, shading, and other styling options. After placing the text plus clip on the timeline, click it once so it becomes highlighted. This is important because it tells DaVinci Resolve that you want to edit that specific text clip. Once it's selected, look to the top right corner of the interface and open the inspector panel if it isn't already visible. Inside the inspector, make sure you are on the video tab and then check that the title subtab is selected. This is where the main text settings live. In the text box, type the words you want to display on screen. Then adjust the font and size until the text looks the way you want it to. You can make it bold, modern, elegant, or whatever style fits your project best. Now comes the part where we actually add the outline. At the top of the inspector within the title section, move over to the shading subtab and click it. This is where DaVinci Resolve lets you control different layers of text styling. In the Select Element drop-down menu, choose element number 2. This is usually labeled as Red Outline by default, and that's the layer we'll use for the stroke around the text. Next, check the box for Enabled. Once that is turned on, the outline becomes active and should appear around your text. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, because we still need to fine-tune the appearance settings. Scroll down to the Appearance section and make sure the second icon is selected. This icon represents the outline layer, so it's the correct one for this effect. After that, go to the color section and click on the color bar. This opens the color picker where you can choose any shade you want for your outline. You can keep it simple with black or white, or choose a bright color if you want the text to really pop. Once the color is set, move down to the thickness slider. If you drag it to the right, the outline becomes thicker and more noticeable. If you drag it to the left, the outline gets thinner and more subtle. Adjust this until the text is easy to read and matches the style you're going for. A slightly thicker outline often works best on complex backgrounds, while a thinner outline can look cleaner for minimal designs. You can also use the join style options to control how the outline corners look. If you want sharp corners, rounded corners, or beveled edges, this is where you make that choice. This small detail can make a big difference in how your text feels on screen, especially if you're using large headings or stylized fonts. Once everything looks good, play back your timeline and check the text in context. Make sure the outline is visible, the color looks right, and the thickness gives you the balance you want. If needed, go back and tweak the settings until it looks perfect. And that's it. You've now learned how to outline text in DaVinci Resolve 20 using Text Plus and the shading controls. This is a simple but powerful trick that can instantly improve the look of your videos. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.